G'day guys, MadMatt here. Well, who knows what this thing is? Aside from a mathematical nightmare, if you're anything like at math like I am, this is a JD squared bender. And basically it's a pipe bender. So, and the beauty of these jobs is they do a beautiful bend. Here you go. Like, see, inside here is very, very little deformation. So this is the sort of bender the guys are using for building their roll cages for race cars and stuff like that. Yeah, this is a little home one my mate's loaned to me. And yeah, so what I'm doing today, I'm making up flares for the rear of the Bandera. So here you go. So they're going to mount up in there. I'll see if I can, like, this is really early stage, but I'll show you a finished one which I've done for the front. Oh, can I show you? So you can see sort of roughly. So I've got to do a bend there, another bend down here. Over here at the rear I've got to do a bend there, follow the guard down and then curve back in towards the chassis there. So down. So that's the story there. So this is the look I'm going for now. So it's going to be slightly different to this. This is the front passenger side, left hand side flare, alright, that I've already made up. So you'll be looking at the front of the car. That'll be what you'll see there is wrapped aligned. So the rears are going to be this. Now I made these for a wider track, which ultimately I want to put on this because I'm going to have a 80 series differentials under it, so they'll be wider. So these flares were made to suit that. I've just changed my plans for the short term, so I'm going to cut these down for the moment, and then when I do the rears, the full flare, the 80 series diffs, I'll change this. So that's the design there. Now what I've done, a lot of guys go for their flares and you're going to go to the chassis and all that. Well, I'm not looking at making a rock crawler, but I just want some extra protection. So all I'm doing is going with nut certs. There, inside, can you see it? I don't know if that's showing it to you, sort of is. There's a nut cert just here, which is like a thread. So M8 threaded in there into the seam. And what I'll do is I'll have the pipe out here, but then the sheet metal panel comes in and I'll have some rubber stripping there. So in the event that I lay the vehicle against it, it'll load up into the panel work there. So it's going to be pretty jolly strong. I've got the rock sliders down there for the lower work. So that's the flares I'm making, and then I've got to do the rear bar. So that'll be a different design again, but they're all going to have that same sort of look, which I know many of you have seen this already. That's the front bar look there. So you got the pipe, create the top, then you come down to sheet metal infill, and there you go, you can see in the end there, you know, that's the project. And if you haven't seen it already, there's my snorkel. That's all stainless steel. I laser cut out the top end and 3-inch stainless. They're wrapped a liner over the top of that down through the guard. I'm really stoked with that. I love the way it punches out to the side of the car and just gives the front end there a nice bulgy look. So really loving the way this is coming together. Anyway, a lot more work. All right guys, catch you later.